distance and the gleam. Lights are flashing, colors pulse around. Autopilot hums without a sound. Gliding past the snow drifts here and there. Future's now and then we couldn't care. Tesla in the snow, it knows the way. Through the frosty paths it never sways. Hands-free ride and we're feeling bold. A tale of tech and winter's cold. Neon cities flicker as we pass. Reflections in the glass so fast. Snowflow whispers secrets through the night. Tesla keeps us warm within its light. Traffic left behind us melts away. Guided by a code that leads our sleigh. Innovations breaking down the freeze. A metal marvel gliding with such ease.